So welcome back to another video of riding and talking. Tagline do baldi siya mo eh. So today is Sunday. Oh, my indicator. So today is Sunday, and then Kumzuk called me saying, you know, he's gonna take me to a very pretty place. So let's see. He told me to wait at City Square. So let's see. Guess how ga. Where is he even gonna take me? I'm excited. Very excited. So yeah, let me wait here for him. It is pretty hot, but then upaay na. Kya kar dega? Oh, Kumzuk is here. Naya chasma. Kude le jaw le muge.
Ti le jana bhega.
Ittiba hivi kuch nahi muge le jaw na. Town di kiman naza kapshtu do.
What I know?
Yo, you know town na. You musti. Aza anda tinge. Aza anda tinge. Yung ma. Ado. Ha? Mishaze.
First time guys.
Sugar cane la juice.
No, I mean like Kamil khai but
Oh.
first time.
Kudi thagi dei chide. Papa. So, good job is a great ever.
Sunflower bagan
So Kumzuk is saying we'll go search for the famous sunflower bagan. All of Hindi style video and na funny vines kan banao na eh. Riding helmet on a sports bike. Oh, Kumzuk wants to ride my bike, so okay. Rasta bal thakawa ni diaz na. Wow, sports bike, purple color, blue helmet, what not? Yer wala je. So Kumzuk wanted to ride my bike, so I'm riding his. Whoa, the weather has become very pleasant now. That's nice. Earlier it was so sunny, but now it's nice. Huh? Sobi ba malo? Sobi ba? This bike, like when I'm riding that bike, it's like I want to speed. But then when I'm riding this bike, the X-Pulse, it's like I just want to cruise at a certain speed limit, like I'm doing right now. I'm doing 57, and you know, it's so fun. Woo! It's so funny. Kumzuk said, "Mutigi jakay ta delu jao," and then when I reached and announced where, he said, you know what he said? Sunflower bagan. So let's see how the sunflower field will be. So me and Kumzuk actually decided to move before the church ends because I feel like it would get rushed because it's a trending spot in Dimapur right now. So of course it might get rushed. So yeah, that's why we're moving early before the church ends. So by the time the church ends, we'll be somewhere else, I guess. I don't know, today's ride isn't planned. We just decided to go at the sunflower spot. I also have to change my bike's tire. It's getting bald. Not safe anymore. I actually can't wait for my next modification on my bike. I wonder how it's gonna look, but then, you know, I have seen a video where that person did the modification and then it looked good. Like, it looked really good. So I hope mine would look the same. I mean, of course, he has an RC, mine is also an RC. It would look the same, but then I'm just saying it looked good. So yeah, excited. I'm pretty sure that the mod will take time to reach Dimapur since I'm ordering it from somewhere else. But as long as it's here in one piece, that's all that matters. Moja, get over there, moja, stanąć nie do. I don't even know the road and then he's sending me from the front. I think we have to stop and ask directions. Let's see, there's a petrol pump up ahead, so let's ask there. Andy Sinjong. Andy Sinjong da. Nang nama tete ba? Tala. Sile Sinje. तो बच्चा साइकिल चलाई था 7 माइल साथै हम दया पुर गइছে ओके
यहाँ किन बस्छ त सँगै जानला जस्ता म 7 माइल भएको सिले मलाई
साथीमा दया पुर गइछ त आगे दो मनाएंगे सनफ्लावर बागान को तेज itu sorry deh masa may ganaan gitu वापस करो तो खुशी से तो चलो साथ में आओ जाओ Bidal de biasa, nada do ik fai fanya do balu je. खुशी से तो ये फना पिमला वाला बोले दूर ना चलो खुशी से So we're taking a U-turn because we don't know the way from the upper side. So Kumzuk knows the way from the 7 mile part, 7 mile area. So let's try going from that area. Fishing. Mas dureze mas. I want to go for fishing as well. Our bazo exposed rasta biya chala wale. It's just cruising in the rough roads as well. I'm pretty sure. Oh man, this expose is so good on bad roads. Oh, it's just cruising in the bad roads as well. I'm pretty sure Kumzuk is having a hard time. Fine, I need to exchange crew. I stay theo. Michelle sunflower na ito. Live pata de. Oh, sunflower ito. Live pata ko yo. Hey, idun na eh. Ha? Huli, dangor la do. Jaw varna de man bike lina. Inna jaw. Hey, biao ne. So I was expecting the whole place would be covered in sunflower, but it's just a small area. Kita magi to dikhawle niche. Magi to dikhawle niche. Photo on this side to lots of bishi cover na than cha daichi to. Ki jane?
Wala muina jane mudi dikla jane dekhi.
Doyapur la ekta ushu to. Ha? Aro chok she de jao. First this one. Wow, never before seen. Well, expectations though, ito pura covered ko na lamba to bhai. Hali daro lamba ho to.
I know na. I also coming that time.
Not taking proper information and coming na. Odo manan jawla to middle di manan brai dai to. Middle di manan brai dai wa. Well, it sure does look good. Mudu lai pata la kya das bhai je. I mean, it sure looks, it does look nice. But then I was expecting more, taller sunflowers and then places to walk in between. But yeah, the first stop for sunflower, nice. Very nice. Out of 10, I would give it a... No, I wouldn't rate it now. Okay, Kumzuk is very fast. I wouldn't rate this now. First, let me check out the second spot and then we'll rate this and that. Okay. Oh, hey, wala bike tigila. So we're going off to another spot where there's the sunflower field, it seems. Sunflower field. I don't know what I should. I don't have any idea what the word is for this, but I'm just gonna say it's sunflower field. So we checked out the sunflower field and then it was fine. But then there's another one, I guess, because Anguka was telling me that the one they visited was at Doyapur. So let's see if the one in Doyapur is better than this one. Woo! So coming back on this road again. I feel like the X-Pulse is like best if you want comfortability and then flickerability, like flickering and playing with the bike, since it's very lightweight, so you can just control it easily. I don't know about the Himalayan and the KTM Adventure because I've never ridden those, but I feel like it'll be heavy. I guess it'll be heavy to like play around on the roads and everything. But then yeah, if you want to get a bike, I would recommend getting an X-Pulse. I mean, it's up to you at the end of the day. Oh no, I don't have battery. I feel like I'm going to have to vlog from my phone after I reach the spot and then end the vlog directly. I didn't charge my GoPro last night, so it was at 60, I guess 50 to 60%. So, that's not enough. I actually have to buy extra batteries for my GoPro. So, yeah. Let's hope we reach the spot before my battery dies. So my GoPro's battery died. Kumzuk is buying chips for at Ura village. So I'm pretty much not gonna be vlogging when I'm riding now since my GoPro's battery died. But I'm gonna be shooting with my phone the second sunflower spot. So yeah, I'm gonna rate it with my phone. So peace. My battery is over because of Kumzuk Ulta sunflower lily. This is the original one. You can see the yellow. Hello. What a place. I get this sunflower bagan ni Jaishim Uchin na Janina. But yeah, this sunflower farm is located at Lokotos, na? Sure. Yeah, it's at Lokoto.
Yeah, something like that. Low.
So this sunflower garden is located at Lokoto village. So we couldn't vlog on the sunflower spot well because my GoPro died, the battery died, and then my phone battery died. So I recorded some footages from Kumzuk's phone that I'll be posting, and then now we're at the tunnel of Mitsipema or Chumu. Chumu na Mitsipema ko ba? Chumu. We're at the tunnel of Chumu, as you can see behind me and in front of me. So yeah, we are going to be chilling here for some time, clicking some photos of our bike and then leaving. And then we're going to be revving our bikes there. So let's see how it sounds, even though we don't have exhaust. So Najina. So okay, Jaina. Jay. Hoy. So we were chilling here at the tunnel, and now we are going to be leaving. I'm very excited to be leaving out of the tunnel because we're gonna be revving. Rev Marde! Sounds good. Sheesh! Exhaust na tagilid han siya on because of the tunnel. Sheesh! So the video is up to this much. Nothing much to show now since it's dark. But yeah, if you guys watched till the end, then thank you so much. I wanted to vlog the whole sunflower video, but then I couldn't. I mean, me and Kumzuk went in the wrong way at first, so because of that my battery got drained a little, but then, you know, thank you guys for watching, and then do subscribe if you're new here, and then give it a thumbs up. So yeah, peace. We are going to be going to drink tea at a hotel or somewhere, so yeah, till then, until the next video, peace, bye. Whoop.